Before preparing this recipe, be sure to thoroughly wash your hands. You'll also want to wash the produce you are using. For this recipe, you will need 1 box of whole wheat pasta cooked and chilled, 1 chopped red bell pepper, 1 shredded carrot, a half a small head cauliflower cut into small pieces, 1 cup baby spinach, a 1/4 a head of purple cabbage shredded, 3 tablespoons reduced fat dressing such as Italian, and 2 tablespoons of part skim shredded mozzarella cheese. Begin by adding the cooked pasta, cauliflower, carrots, red pepper, and purple cabbage to a large mixing bowl. Gently mix the pasta and vegetables together using tongs or a large mixing spoon. Next, add the baby spinach, mozzarella cheese, and dressing. Combine all the ingredients together, making sure the salad dressing is thoroughly mixed in the pasta salad. Serve and enjoy!